beyond my reach. Give me your heart for the ones forgotten. Give me your eyes so I can.
Give me your eyes.
So we'll continue upon that stretch around.
What the words you say? Speak life, speak life. Whoa. Puerto Rico? It's what you do. And I don't deserve you. And I don't deserve you. Move on, but not with me, I go. Stepping on my life, you are my life. Me and your wife, me need you in a sunset right now. I can be here forevermore. Of you is what I want. No time off, that's what I want. What you have is what I want. You're all I want. Yeah, I'll go prove you. Change it. I belong to you. I do smell a weird smell. No, not Jonathan.
Who you talking?
You.
Woman, sure.
Talking to you. We're here. Yay. Look at that background. Nice and blurry. We're here. Waiting on my people to call me so I can start. I'm talking at 8:15. The makeup. And yeah, it's not even, it took us less than 2.5 hours to get over here from Portmore to Montego Bay, which is crazy. We got to Ochi at 6:10 and we left Portmore at 5, so yeah. You're not hungry, Osana? Yes.
Give me your belly.
This is why I need my Sony A5100. I need it. So I have to have this big camera in my hand. It's quite heavy.
This?
No, she don't have to. Unless it's going to be difficult for her to remove.
What about you when you put it? What?
My phone.
Oh, so you can set yours. Yeah, yours is second one. So you're right there.
You see mine?
Where's it just in there? I'm gonna put this on to be honest.
That you saw was under there.
So get that 5 minutes.
I'm done. This is what I look like. Took my wig off. I am really tired. I'm sleepy. Jonathan is off. My husband driving. I had 11 pieces to do today, and I won't lie to you, I loved every minute of it. Of course, my back is ripping out. My back is ripping out. But I like it though. I